Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to connect a Lucid trading account to Tradovate. First, make sure you have received your account credentials from Lucid Trading. These credentials are usually provided by email or can be found in your Lucid dashboard. If you are new to Lucid Trading, you must sign into Tradovate first, even if you plan to trade later using NinjaTrader, TradingView, or another supported platform. Open Tradovate and enter the username and password provided with your Lucid account. Once you have successfully logged in and completed any required account setup, move on to the next step. If your account requires a trading agreement, make sure you have completed and signed it. After your trading agreement has been approved, you can access any supported trading platform using the same credentials you used when signing the agreement. Now open your preferred trading platform and log in using your Lucid Trading account credentials. After logging in, verify that your trading account appears correctly and that you can view market data and account information. Next, visit the Lucid Trading dashboard. Open your web browser and go to the Lucid Trading website. Sign in using the email address and password you created when purchasing your account. This dashboard is where you can manage your account, review your order history, and monitor your trading performance. For security purposes, Lucid may send a one-time password to your email whenever you access your trading dashboard. Enter the code to continue. Once logged in, you will be able to view your account statistics, trading progress, and daily performance reports. If you need a trading platform, Lucid also partners with platforms such as MotiveWave and Quantower. You can request a license for either platform directly from your Lucid dashboard if needed. After completing these steps, your Lucid trading account should be successfully connected and ready to use with Tradovate. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.